On June 7, Dongfeng Forthing launched a one-price promotion for the Dongfeng Forthing S7 Extended Range Edition. Let's take a first look at the Dongfeng Forthing S7, which adopts a new design language. The front face is equipped with a recognizable 7-shaped headlight cluster, which is cleverly integrated with the closed front grille to create a unique visual effect. At the same time, the trapezoidal front bumper air intake enhances the sporty feel of the car. The side of the car adopts the popular coupe-style fastback shape, and the smooth lines extend from the A-pillar to the rear, creating a dynamic side profile. The rear design is also very modern, featuring a through-in taillight cluster design and cleverly adding a black spoiler to the upper edge of the rear, which not only optimizes the aerodynamic performance, but also further highlights the sporty features of the car. When you step into the car, the interior design is simple but textured. The overall flat and smooth center console lines, combined with the rich InDesign dual-spoke multifunction steering wheel and the floating center console display, create a cockpit atmosphere that combines modern technology with comfortable texture. In terms of seats, the new car is equipped with an integrated design seat that provides good wrapping and support. In addition, the Shanghai S7 also provides practical configurations such as mobile phone wireless charging and panoramic sunroof, which further enhance the daily driving experience and comfort. In terms of power system, it offers two power options, pure electric and extended range electric, to meet the various needs of different users. The pure electric version adopts a rear single-motor layout and offers two motor options with maximum power of 160 kilowatts and 200 kilowatts according to different configurations, providing sufficient power output with corresponding peak torques of 310 Nm and 320 Nm respectively. In terms of endurance, the pure electric version offers two CLTC ranges of 555 km and 650 km to meet the needs of daily commuting and medium and long-distance travel. The extended range version is equipped with a Mach Super range extension system consisting of a 1.5-liter engine and a high-efficiency electric motor. The 1.5-liter engine has a maximum power of 77 kilowatts, a thermal efficiency of 43.5%, and uses advanced direct injection technology to achieve maximum fuel efficiency. The electric motor has a peak power of 160 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 310 Nm, providing a powerful and linear power output. The vehicle is equipped with a power battery with a capacity of 28.4 kilowatt-hours. The pure electric range under CLTC conditions is 235 kilometers, and the comprehensive range is as high as 1,250 kilometers, which effectively solves the problem of mileage anxiety of long-distance travel.